Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and delete large attachment emails from Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This process works whether you're using Outlook on desktop or through your web browser, so don't worry about which version you have. Once your emails have loaded, you'll be ready to find and delete those large attachment emails from Outlook. Begin by navigating to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. To find the large attachment emails efficiently, we'll need to sort your emails to display the ones with the largest attachments first. This makes it much easier to identify which messages are taking up the most storage space. Head to the top part of your inbox and you'll see a sort button. By default, this is usually set to sort by date, which shows your newest emails first. Click on this sort button and you'll see several options appear in a drop-down menu. From the list of options, look for and click on Size under the Arrange by section. This is a powerful feature because it reorganizes your entire inbox based on attachment file size rather than when the email arrived. From here, you'll see your emails listed by their attachment size, with the largest files appearing at the top of your inbox. This gives you an immediate visual overview of which emails are consuming the most space in your mailbox, making it simple to decide what to delete. Now for the deletion process. Simply select the emails from the top to bottom that have the largest attachment sizes. You can click on multiple emails by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac while clicking each one. This allows you to batch select several large emails at once instead of deleting them one by one, which saves you a significant amount of time. Once you've selected all the emails you want to remove, click on the Delete button located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are found. The selected emails will immediately move to your deleted items folder. Keep in mind that to permanently free up space, you'll also need to empty your deleted items folder afterward, as emails there still count toward your storage quota. And that's it. You've successfully sorted and deleted large attachment emails from your Outlook inbox, freeing up valuable storage space. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.